Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Twitter Bootstrap project inside your Visual Studio IDE. So let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is we need to go to File here and we need to create a new website project. So create a new website project and name it anything. Okay, and we want to create an empty website. We don't want to use any ASP.NET or any other templates or any other thing. We want to do an empty website. So choose this option and click OK. And this is going to create an empty website project for you. Now, in order to add Bootstrap in this project, what you need to do is you need to go to Tools here, and in the Tools, go to Nugget Package Manager, and in here click Manage Nugget Package for Solution. Okay, so click this option and it's going to open this kind of interface. And what we want here is just search for, in this search box, search for less. And when you search for this less, the first option most probably will be from twitter.bootstrap.less. So select this option and then on the right hand side click this button install. So click install and it's going to install this Twitter Bootstrap inside your project. Click OK and keep on watching here in the output, and when it says finish, then Bootstrap files are installed in your project. So at that time you can close this tab here, and now you can see bootstraps.js and jQuery installation is there, and in here in the content folder you have all the Bootstrap related less files. Okay, so now once our Bootstrap environment is set up, we want to create a HTML file, right? So right click on your website or project. So right click on your project and add a new HTML file. So add new item, and in here choose HTML page and give the name to your HTML page, for example default.html, and add it to your project. And this is the blank HTML page which is created for you by Visual Studio and which is added to your project here, right? So now we have all the Bootstrap related JavaScript and CSS files, jQuery files, and your index.html. So now we can add first of all these JavaScript files to your HTML page. The easier way is just go to this script folder, and in here go to this bootstrap.js, and then choose this bootstrap.min.js from here. Open your default HTML and drag and drop this bootstrap.min.js to your body of your HTML page. Okay, and it will be added automatically as a script like this. Okay, same we will do for this JavaScript min.js. So just click your default.html, drag and drop this jQuery 1.9.0 in my case .min.js, drag and drop here, and it will add to your body. Now in order to add the bootstrap.css file, which will be here in contents, so go to this folder called content and then go to the folder called bootstrap, and now you will see all the files are less files, and in order to make them a CSS file we need to compile them, and to compile them we have a tool which we can add from our tools. So go to tools once again, and in here click this time extensions and updates, and in here click this option called online. So we want to install online tools. So just click online and make sure this at the top is sorted by most popular. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to install first of all Web Essential 2015. So to install this, I have already installed this green button shows that it's already installed, but if it's not installed in your case, what you need to do is, for example, I want to install this Cloud Explorer for Windows Visual Studio. When I select this, I will see this option download. So download this file. So just click this download, and then you will see the option called install. So just click the install button, and then Web Essentials will be installed, right? You may need to restart the Visual Studio in order to configure all the settings, but everything will be okay. And when you see this green tick mark here, then it will be installed. Okay, same we want to do with this web compiler. So just go down a little, and here you will be able to see web compiler option here. Okay, so search for web compiler and do the same, download it and install it, right? And restart Visual Studio if required. So for example, I want to download this, just click this download button, and then it will show you the install button and install it. So we need to install web compiler and this option Web Essentials. Okay, so once you see green button on both or green tick mark on both, you are ready to go. Now once it's done, you will be able to see when you select your bootstrap.less file inside your Bootstrap folder here. So just click on bootstrap.less and right click on it, and then you will see this option called compile file. Okay, so just click compile file and it will be compiled, and you will be able to see this small extension here, and inside this you will be able to see that our bootstrap.less file is compiled, and now it has generated for us bootstrap.min.css, this file, right? So now we can add this to our head of our default.html file. So just select this bootstrap.min.css and in your default folder drag and drop in the head, right? And it will add this bootstrap.min.css file here. So now we have added all the scripts and link to our HTML file. Now we are ready to go. So for example, I want to add a h1 tag. I can do it simply, and I can say hello world. Okay, and to compile it, just save it first, and you just need to click this run button from here, and it will take your default browser. In my case it's Firefox, but it will take your default browser and it will open this page in your default browser. Okay, so just run it, and now you can see it's open in our default browser, hello world. Okay, so now you are ready to develop your Bootstrap project inside Visual Studio. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.